Students, today is our 40th day and point name is polygon. बघा म्हणजे आपला काय 40th डे आहे आणि point name is polygon. Polygon means what? Draw a diagonal of square and divide it into two triangles. We know that the sum of all angles of triangle is 180. That's all angles of triangle is 180. Look here, polygon is a figure which a closed figure with triangles, squares, pentagons and more than 5 sides is called as polygon. Means it is a polygon is a closed figure which joins point to point which are more than 3 or 4. That is the polygons. Look here. When we draw a diagonal in a square or in a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral. When we draw a diagonal, there is a formation of two triangles. We know that sum of all angles of measure is 180. Here one and this triangle is also 180, this triangle is also 180. Therefore measure of all angles of quadrilateral is 180 into 180 into 2, that is, or 180 plus 180, that is equal to 360. Means sum of all four angles of quadrilateral is 360. When there is a one pentagon figure, look here, this one is a pentagon, means there are five angles we join when these two opposite vertex, then there is a formation of three triangles. Then addition of these three triangles is 180 plus 180 plus 180, because of all angles of triangle is 180, म्हणजे sum of all angles of triangle is 180 and therefore there are three triangles, म्हणजे एका ट्रायंगलच्या ऑल अँगलची ॲडिशन 180 असते आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला थ्री ट्रायंगलची ॲडिशन किती येईल 540. आलं लक्षात? मीन्स dividing all polygons into triangles and sum of all their angles of are found. म्हणजेच काय होईल, when we draw any polygon, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, which is divided into triangles and then we measure the measures of all angles of that figure. Look here, this one pentagon figure, vertices are A, B, C, D, E. Then sides are A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and E. And angles are, look here, angles are A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, A. Look here, there are 5 angles in pentagon. Like this, in hexagon there are 6 angles. In hexagon there are 6 angles. In heptagon there are 7 angles. In heptagon there are 7 angles. In octagon there are 8 angles. Look here, this one figure is hexagon. Where here there are for drawing 3 diagonals. इथे बघा आपल्याला किती डायगोनल्स काढलेले आहेत, 3 डायगोनल्स ड्रॉ केलेले आहेत. this one and this one, and there is formation of 4 triangles. किती ट्रायंगल तयार झालेत, 4 ट्रायंगल तयार झाले. सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज 180, म्हणजे एका अँगलच्या ट्रायंगलची ॲडिशन किती असते, 180 असते. 1 into 4, there are 180 into 4, there are 4 triangles, therefore 180 into 4 and that is equal to 720. म्हणजेच एका ट्रायंगलची अँगलच्या मेजरची सम 180, therefore there are 4 triangles, therefore addition of 4 triangles measure, that is 720. Then look here, there is a number of name of polygon, number of vertices, number of sides and number of angles. Look here, pentagon, there are number of vertices 5. In hexagon, number of vertices 6. In heptagon, number of vertices 7. octagon number of vertices 8. Number of sides also 5. Here in hexagon 6, heptagon 7, octagon 8. Number of angles same 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then find the examples of polygons found in your area. Draw their figures. म्हणजे तुमच्या एरियामध्ये जे एक्झाम्पल्स असतील पेंटॅगॉन हेक्झॅगॉन टाईप ते तुम्ही फाइंड करा आणि ड्रॉ करा. ड्रॉ ए पॉलिगॉन डिवाइड इंटू ट्रायंगल्स शोन इन द फिगर. फिगरमध्ये शो केल्यासारखं डिवाइड करा आणि त्याची फ्रॉम दॅट डिटरमाइन सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ दॅट पॉलिगॉन. आणि त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही एखाद्या फिगरची ऑल अँगलची ॲडिशन काढू शकता. म्हणजे हा तुम्हाला इथे समजलं का? पहा, आपल्याला कोणत्याही पॉलिगॉनची म्हणजे बहुभुजाकृती मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात त्याचं आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे? मेजर ऑल अँगलची मेजर काढायची आहे. ऑल अँगलची मेजर काय करायचं आहे? दिस फिगर इज डिवायडेड इन टू ट्रायंगल्स अँड देन we know that the sum of all angles of triangle is 180. Therefore there are when we add all triangles measure we find the all angles of that polygon. म्हणजे त्या ट्रायंगलच्या मेजरवरून आपण पॉलिगॉनच्या मेजर अँगलची मेजर आपल्याला काढता येईल. ओके.